Welcome back to another episode of Life in the CT. It's me, CT, and today we're going to talk about L.B.M. In thinking about what I wanted to talk about today, I started thinking about my clients. And I have a lot of younger guys and older gentlemen who are more fashion forward. And so I wanted to do a video to talk about how you can take sartorial pieces like jackets from L.B.M. and make them good for the perspective of being fashion forward and modern. So first off, why L.B.M.? This is a brand that I have consistently seen with my clients fit right off the rack. So that's incredible that you can put a jacket on and it'll fit great. Now, why is this? The shoulders are unconstructed, so you don't have to worry about padding. And I think this really helps with a guy like me who has shoulders that slope forward, or if you had a shoulder injury or a collar injury and one of your shoulders is a little lower than the other, the unconstructed shoulder makes it fit really well off the rack. Not only do these jackets have amazing construction, but you're also getting luxurious fabrics and comfort at an incredible price point. For someone who is fashion forward, who's always up on the new trends, it's actually really nice to have something that's at more of an accessible price point. So for my clients who are looking for more of that modern take on fashion, here are 3 things to look for when you're shopping L.B.M. First thing I want you to look for is color. I want to encourage you to look for something fun, because that's going to help you make it modern and give a fun twist to it. For example, I have this one here that's in this very fall vibe rust color. Now this is a great piece to wear currently in this sort of fallish weather we have going on, but this is also something as we get closer to Christmas, you can make this work for Christmas parties and kind of lean into that red without being cheesy. And then as we get into the later winter and early spring, this is still something you can wear. So look for something fun in the color. The second thing I want you to look for is texture. So you've got a navy blazer here. Now it has this really cool texture. It's almost like plaid in a texture. So it's taking something that could be really businessy with plaid, and it's taking something that could be really businessy with navy, putting it together, and it becomes something a little bit more fun. I can definitely see this being worn with just a white t-shirt underneath, or you could do a fun pattern shirt too. This has so many possibilities because of the color. It can match a lot. So texture. The third thing that I want you to look for is pattern. Take pinstripe, for example. In this jacket, they kind of blow it up. They make it a little bit more of a chalk stripe, which is a little bit more striking. Even though this is black, again, neutral color, you can wear this with anything. And the fun pattern kind of takes it to the next level. It's calling back to the days of classic menswear while still offering something new and different and modern for today's day and age. You could definitely make this jacket edgier by adding wax denim or a chunky silver chain, but you could also take it to the other side and make it dressy with a silk shirt, unbuttoned a couple buttons. Thank you so much for watching today. It's really good to be back. And if anything in this video strikes your fancy, gets you excited about the season, or has motivated you to do something new with your wardrobe, feel free to reach out. Let me know how I can help. I want to show you ways that you can be more fashion forward, be more modern, and just feel better in your clothes. So hit me up. Let's have a great season and enjoy the fall and winter. And that's it for me. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll see you next time.